Hello, today's topic is types of leukocytes. It's from anatomy and physiology. So let's discuss about the type of leukocytes. Leukocytes is the white blood cells, okay, or WBC. And one is here granulocytes and agranulocytes. I'm discussing about agranulocytes or agranular leukocytes. It lacks granules. There are two major types of agranulocytes. One is lymphocytes, second one is monocytes. First, lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the only formed elements of the blood that arise from lymphoid stem cells. Okay, lymphocytes arise from lymphoid stem cells. Lymphocytes are the second most common leukocyte, present about 20 to 30% of all leukocytes. Okay, this is the image I have picked it from Google of lymphocytes. Here it has a large nucleus. Nucleus is round and large. Ribosome, ER, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and cytoplasm. This is the structure of lymphocyte, and here it is monocytes. The nucleus, it is not rounded, it is kind of bilobed. Okay, here, and this one is nucleus, mitochondria, lysosome, vacuole, Golgi apparatus, cytoplasm. Okay, now come to three major types of lymphocytes. One is B cell, second one is T cell, and third one is NK cell or natural killer cell. Okay, B cells and T cells are called B lymphocytes or and T lymphocytes. B cells undergo maturation in the bone marrow, B for bone marrow, and T cells undergo maturation for thymus, T for thymus. Now come to monocyte. I already shown you the image. It originates from myeloid stem cell. They are 2 to 8% of total leukocytes, and they are typically easily recognized by large size horseshoe shaped nuclei. Okay, here, this one, monocyte. Okay, now come to disorders of lymphocytes. What are the disorders? Whether any cancerous condition or excess or less amount of lymphocytes, leukocytes in the blood. First condition is leukopenia. Leukopenia is a condition in which too few, that means less number of leukocytes are produced. Okay, less number. In this condition, the individual may be able to ward off disease. That means an individual having leukopenia are unable to fight against the disease, and he or she may lose their optimum immunity. Okay, and excessive leukocyte proliferation is also a condition that is called as leukocyte, and another is leukocytosis. Sorry, I have an image, you can see it is here. When the leukocyte condition is less, it is less, that condition is called as leukopenia. You can see only 3 leukocytes are present in the image, low number of white blood cells. Okay, leukocytosis means excess than the optimum level. You can see large number of leukocytes in the blood, high number of white blood cells. This is the leukocytosis, that is high, and this is low, and this is the normal count, normal number of leukocytes. Okay, this is the less, this one is high, now come to another cancerous condition. I have mentioned 1 and 2 cancerous condition. One is leukemia, is a cancer involving abundant leukocytosis, and lymphoma is another form of cancer in which masses of malignant T and B lymphocytes collect in lymph nodes, spleen, liver, and other tissues. Leukemia and lymphoma are the cancerous condition, while leukopenia is less number of leukocytes, uh, and leukocytosis is the excess number of leukocytes. Okay, this one I have said an image that that differentiates between leukemia and lymphoma. Leukemia most common in childhood cancer. Okay, less prevalent than lymphomas. It is not common kind of blood cancer, defined as a progressive and malignant disease of blood forming organs. Third one is an excess of WBC cells in the bloodstream is typical. This is the leukemia. You can see this is a kid from the image, and leukemia is most common blood cancer in the kids. Now come to lymphoma, more common in older adults. Lymphoma more common than leukemia, whereas lymphomas are less common. Defined as any malignancy of lymphoid tissue, both organs and cells. Lymphoma cells will not appear in the bloodstream. Okay, I hope it is clear. Thank you.